Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Pitney Meadows Community Farm. We're here today to talk about harvesting and enjoying celery. So we're here in our bed of celery, and the first thing we want to note is how to harvest this plant. So the way we're going to harvest this is noting that once again this is a central growth. This plant grows from the center. Its newest growth is right here. And so we're going to be taking leaves from the outside, the oldest and most mature leaves, and leaving the center to let it regrow. We do not want to harvest this as a whole head. We want to leave the central growth. So I'm going to look around the outside, and I'm going to take off some leaves from around the outside using a pruners or a nice sharp knife. Making sure that I'm leaving plenty of leaves for this plant to continue to regrow. While we're here, I'm going to point out over here. See, this is what happens if we if we cut off the whole head. We're getting a little bit of attempted regrowth. It's a nice tough plant, but we don't want to do this. We want to leave enough that it can really get a vigorous regrowth. After I have my celery stalks, I would take these home, run some water. You could put them in a vase in your fridge. You could wrap them in a damp paper towel and stick them in your fridge. Just keeping some moisture around the stalks. Often helps to give them a second trim just right at the bottom so that any drying that's happened out in the field, you get some nice fresh wicking. As far as enjoying celery, I often feature it in soups. It makes the great base with carrot and onion, and as well as in fresh salads. It's a delicious, delicious addition. So this is celery. Thank you very much.